Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Diamond. Today's video, I just wanted to show how I unwind and get ready for the rest of my night before I go to bed. This is something that I do on the weekend. I don't really have time to do this throughout the week, so this is the time that I use to just pamper myself a little bit. I'm not going to talk throughout this entire video because I don't want it to be too long. I could go on and ramble like crazy. My routine changes every couple weeks and every couple months because I am a product junkie, so I try different products all the time just to see what I like and what I'll stick to. So if you're interested, keep watching. I start with micellar water. I normally use a cream balm to remove my makeup, but when I run out, my go-to is always micellar water. Micellar water is formulated to be a gentle cleanser for the skin. I have very dry skin, especially in the winter, and micellar water actually leaves your skin hydrated and supple. So I love to use this or a cleanser balm to remove my makeup. I have braids in my hair at the moment, and I have super dry scalp. So I have to keep my scalp moisturized every single night. I use Aragon Magic 10-in-1 leave-in treatment and coat my entire scalp before going to bed. I start my routine with CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleanser. I ditched Cetaphil's cleanser because it was way too harsh for my skin. This product refreshes the skin without stripping it or leaving it tight and dry. It restores your skin's natural barrier and attracts hydration and keeps your skin moisturized, which I need because I have dry skin. It also helps remove any makeup I may have left behind. Don't forget to scrub the dead skin cells off of your lips. As always, I apply the product to dry skin. I add lavender essential oil to my steam water to help me relax. Before putting on my face mask, I always hydrate my skin with oil. I like to use castor oil because it contains antioxidants and it helps prevent wrinkles. I love it because it's very hydrating and helps remove dark marks from the skin. I also use sapphire seed oil because I have acne-prone skin, and it not only hydrates and improves my skin's texture, but it also helps reduce rashes and inflammation in the skin. I let both of them steam on my face so that my pores will open and they absorb deeper into my skin. I then follow with the Teami Green Tea Detox Mask. I have been using this mask forever, y'all. It's made with matcha green tea to revitalize the skin and give it some antioxidants, bentonite clay to detox impurities, and lemongrass to brighten the skin. I use this one time a week, and it always makes my skin look smooth and refreshed. I apply it as the steam is going. All right, y'all, so my face has completely dried. I'm in my closet right now because my bathroom in my house is under construction. So one day soon I'll be doing tutorials in my bathroom. For now, I have to do it in my closet. So I have to run really quick to my guest bathroom and wash my face. I'll be right back. I follow with the toner. The toner I like to use nowadays is the Ordinary Glycolic Acid Toner. It's a light exfoliant for the skin. It helps not only clean the skin, but helps get rid of dead skin cells and improves the radiance of your skin and helps get rid of texture. If you have textured skin, it could be that you don't exfoliate enough, and this is a sure, easy way to make sure you exfoliate. This is one of my luxury products. I use Monat Rewind Age Control Serum every night. It's a skin renewing serum that delays and helps repair signs of aging skin. For me, it's never too early to start trying to prevent wrinkles. I then move on to my DIY aloe vera eye cream. It's packed with tons of vitamins to help brighten your under eye and prevent wrinkles. If you're interested in making it yourself, I'll add the link above and in the description. I end with organic castor oil. If I am using castor oil, I always use the castor oil as a lip moisturizer. I then use sapphire seed oil as well. I make sure to get my neck, chest, and hands because that's where we start to age first. And that's it, y'all. My face might look super oily right now, but I'm going to bed. And when I wake up, my skin is nice, soft, and hydrated. Don't forget to subscribe. If you'd like to see more videos like this, give this video a thumbs up. See you next time.